In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head straight to the payroll setup timeline. This is where Gusto organizes the key tasks you need to complete before you can successfully process payroll, so it's a good central place to work from. When you open the payroll setup timeline, take a moment to verify that the required setup tasks have been completed. These typically include filling out your company profile, finding and confirming your business information, adding your personal details, choosing your pay schedule, and adding your company tax details. It's important to review each of these carefully because payroll depends on accurate business, tax, and payment information. Even a small mistake here can create delays later, so make sure everything is complete and up to date before moving on. After that, review your first Gusto payday information. This section helps you understand when your first payroll will be processed and when employees are expected to be paid. Pay close attention to the dates shown here so you can plan ahead and avoid missing your first payroll deadline. If anything doesn't look right, it's best to pause and confirm your setup details before continuing. Next, look for the Add Company Bank Account section and click Continue. This will take you into the company bank account setup, which is an essential part of running payroll because Gusto needs a connected business bank account to withdraw payroll funds and handle tax payments. Go ahead and complete your company bank account setup by entering the requested banking details and following the prompts on screen. Depending on your setup, Gusto may ask you to verify the account before it can be used. Make sure the information is entered carefully and matches your bank records to help prevent verification issues or payment delays. Once your bank account setup is complete, return to the payroll setup timeline so you can continue with any remaining setup steps. This is an important final check to make sure nothing has been left incomplete. Gusto's setup timeline is designed to guide you through the process, so if there are still pending items, you'll see them there and can finish them before running payroll. And that's it. Once these setup steps are completed, you'll be in a much better position to move forward with payroll confidently and smoothly in Gusto. Thanks for watching.